Hi, I got two ways how you can scan QR codes on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. And the first one is you can just open your camera app and make sure you're in a photo mode. After that, in the upper panel, you should see the square icon which is Google Lens. So just tap it. If you're using it for the first time, you will need to allow some permissions and then choose to open camera. And make sure you are in a search option. Now just point the camera at your QR code and it will be scanned. So here you can just find similar results in Google. For example, my QR code was from user manual and here is the result. Now, more useful way how you can scan QR codes is by swiping down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and here find this icon. Now tap it and this scanner would be opened. Also, you'll need to allow some permissions. And as you can see, we are scanning QR codes now, so you'll need to place the code inside the frame and it works really fast. It scans it by itself and you can see this link which you can copy or open in browser. So yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.